If you've ever seen people online getting free stuff from Temu and thought, okay, but why doesn't this work for me? This video explains exactly why. Because Temu free stuff does work, but only if you do one thing first. Most people skip it. Before we break it down, I've put the working Temu FREE Gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's the issue. Most people open the Temu app like normal and start browsing. They wait for a pop-up, they wait for an offer, they wait for something to happen. Nothing ever does. That's because Temu doesn't give free stuff randomly. Free items are tied to a free gift event, and that event must be activated first. The one thing you must do first before opening the Temu app, click the first link in the description. This step activates the free gift event on your account. When the page opens, you'll see a QR code. On phone arrow, scan the QR code. On desktop arrow, enter the manual code shown. Either option works. How to know it worked. Now open the Temu app. You should immediately see a progress bar. That progress bar is the confirmation that the free gift event is active. If you don't see it, the activation didn't go through. Repeat the step using the link again. No progress bar equals no free stuff. What to do after activation. Once the bar appears, Temu will give you a few small tasks. These are things like browsing categories, checking deals, opening certain sections. They're quick and simple. Each action fills the progress bar a little more. Unlock and claim. When the bar reaches 100%, the free item you selected unlocks. No payment required, no referrals needed, no hidden charges. Temu prepares it for shipping like a normal order. Why this works for some people and not others? The difference isn't luck, it's activation. People who activate the event first get free stuff. People who don't never see it. So if Temu free stuff never worked for you before, try again using the code on screen. Activate the event first and watch for the progress bar. And if it finally works, leave a comment and tell me what you unlocked. I want to see if this helped you.